Tutorial today for new members, how to use a forum and how to make your first post. So you can see here we're on something called a board index. This is just the main page of the actual forum. If you click home, that takes you through to the website. That's not fully finished yet, but that will be coming shortly. But board index, this is where you are on the main forum. So you're a new member and you want to say hello and introduce yourself a little bit. It's a bit like walking into a pub. You wouldn't just walk in and just chat away. You say hello to somebody at least, wouldn't you? So we do the same on the forum. So you click on introduce yourself and we click on new topic. Type in the subject, something on the lines of hello. Click down here onto the description page where you can type in whatever you wish to type. I've just got some copy text there that I'm going to paste in. Once you've done all that, if you think you're happy with it, you can preview it. Use the preview button down there. And there you can see your first post, how that will actually look on the forum. If you're happy with that, you would click submit. If you want to make some changes to it, you can just go back to here, click your cursor on wherever you want it to be. You want to add a few more smileys. These smileys here, you can use these smileys on your right hand side. So we can add a clappy on there if we wish. Again, preview it. You can see that the clappy's appeared there. If you're happy with that, you would click submit. And there is your first post. So if we use the menu bar here, most people on the forum tend to use active topics. So you click on the quick links and it brings the drop down menu, active topics. There's the first post. That would be your first post. So somebody's made a first post and you want to reply to it, or any of the other posts on the forum that you want to reply, you would click post reply. This brings up the box where you can type in your post again. Obviously with this one I'm just going to put something like, hello Martin, welcome. I could add a smiley there. Use these smileys down here. The smileys that you'll have on your device if you're using a mobile device, an iPad, an iPhone, a Samsung, whatever you're using, the smileys that you have actually on your phone, you can use those on our forum software. Many softwares for the forums and what have you, they don't actually accept them, but ours does. You can use those, no problem at all. If you're happy with that, you can again do a preview. If you wish to do a preview, you can see the reply. If you're happy, click submit. Let's just go back and you can see there, that's the initial post and your reply to it. And that basically is how you make your posts on the forum. The same again, if you want to go to any topics, let's choose my boat, my build. Setting up an FRIB 330, there's a huge topic there all about it. If you want to make a reply, scroll down to the bottom. There's 3 pages down here as you can see, so you can go to page 3. See the last post, roll all the way down to the bottom. You've seen something there that you like, you could post a reply. Thank you. Very helpful. Just the same again. You can do a preview if you wish. To make sure that your post looks okay, you're happy with that. You would click submit. And there's your reply to the post. His post was obviously on page 3, it was the last post, so you've replied to that. If you go to page 4, it shows your reply. Again, back to board index for the main page. You can go on quick links, active topics. Someone's replied to the post, obviously it was me just now, but you can see that that's gone up to the top of active topics, so it's up there on page 4, and you can see that's there. And that generally is how you make the posts on the forum. Plenty more tutorials to follow, guys. Keep your eye on the YouTube channel, please. If you can like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, that will help us lots. Thanks for watching. See you next time.